Welcome to Lincoln Storm, the UK's leading lithium-ion battery recycling facility. Here at Lincoln Storm, we specialise in taking used lithium-ion batteries and using our industry-leading technologies, break them down into usable, valuable materials.
I'm Scott McKenzie, I'm the CEO of Lincoln Storm. Lincoln Storm Ltd is the UK battery recycling company. It has commercial scale operations which primarily deal with portable batteries. However, we can deal with modules and cells on a commercial level. The lorry will come in, we have a two weighbridge system. It will go to the first weighbridge, obviously we weigh gross, then it will go to the unloading area. These things generally come in barrels on pallets, normally 4 barrels to a pallet. The lorry will then be reweighed net. The weight of the batteries must be recorded. Following that process, it's emptied onto a conveyor. They will then go into our aqueous shredder. That is a pre-break shredder, so it effectively pierces stroke destroys the batteries, which will obviously cause them to short and render them effectively safe. They will then go from there onto a water conveyor, which then goes to a secondary shred, which will then shred it a little bit more finely. The idea behind that is to obviously liberate some of the high value powders inside these things and present it to our drying line. The idea behind the drying line is it will take the moisture level contained within that mixture of shredded batteries down to a level of less than 1%. Once it's taken out the end of the dryer, it then goes into our dry separation plant, which is when it is completely separated into 3 fundamental products, one being a polymer, one being a mixed aluminium copper, ultra clean, generally 60% copper, 40% aluminium, and the third being storm black, which is powder mixture that contains nickel, cobalt, manganese, lithium and carbon.
I'm Damian Lambkin. I'm the CEO and founder of AnyWaste Global and the AnyWaste.com waste tracking system. We're currently working with companies like Lincoln Storm, where we're helping to digitise their collection system so that their clients can have an online dashboard to help better communicate directly with them as the battery recycler.
I'm George Eustice and I'm a board advisor at AnyWaste. We all know that there are real problems with illegality creeping in with waste, and so waste being misdescribed, ending up at the wrong place, and it's very, very difficult for regulators to be able to track that waste to make sure that the system's being implemented in the right way. And so the great advantage of a digital waste tracking system is it enables you in a much more effective, efficient way to track individual consignments, and for regulators crucially be able to view the journey of that waste. We know that for many electronic devices, including vapes, the management and the handling of those lithium-ion batteries is a major challenge. They can become a fire hazard if they're disposed of incorrectly, and it's really important with the circular economy in mind that we take some ownership of recycling our own electronic waste, and lithium-ion batteries is a really important one. So it's great to see this site here at Lincoln Storm and see the work they're doing to turn these lithium-ion batteries into black mass that's got a value with the nickel and the cobalt and the lithium that's in there.
I'm Peter Hunt, Chairman of the WasteCare Group. We're looking to lead in sustainable recycling, and the only way we can make it sustainable is to recover value from the waste streams. We don't do lithium batteries, and Lincoln Storm do, and they seem to be doing it on a good scale and at a good standard, so it makes sense to work with them. Lithium is a difficult metal to deal with, and various people have had a go at it, but not really put the investment in that's needed to actually crack it once and for all. Lincoln Storm seems to be on their own in that regard.